Hi, I'm John Gallemore, Head of Operations at THG. THG is essentially a digital proprietary platform engineered over the past 2 decades specifically to take brands direct to consumers all over the world. We're fully vertically integrated, so we manufacture the products for our beauty and nutrition division. We retail the products on our own proprietary e-commerce platform, and we own and operate the fulfillment centres that distribute the products to our customers all over the world. The commissioning of AutoStore just exceeded all expectations. And I'll give you an example of our UK facility that we went live with first of all. We accessed the new building on the May of 21. 3 months later, we'd constructed the entire solution. We'd done all of the software integrations, which meant that we could start to ingest 10 million units of inventory through August and September. And then we went live with no testing in October, right ahead of peak. And we delivered peak well that year. Part of the results of this means that we've extended the cut-off for next day delivery to an industry-leading midnight. Nobody else offers that solution. At the same time, our distribution cost last year reduced by 115 basis points. Over 2 years, they've reduced by 180 basis points, which means that we've got payback on the whole solution within 2 years. There's been an obvious impact from the partnership with AutoStore and our competitive advantage. The fact that we've reduced processing times in our facilities by so much, and the obvious impact that has on customer loyalty and retention, whilst at the same time having such a massive impact on our cost base, and the quick payback of the solution puts us a strong advantage to our competition.